Hello students, let us begin with the first poem of our syllabus, What a Bird Thought. In this poem, we are going to go through the journey of a little baby bird who has just hatched out of the egg and is started to explore the world. Let us see what he is trying to tell us. The poem's name is What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. In the first stanza, the baby bird, in the first stanza means in the first paragraph, the baby bird is trying to tell you about his first house. That is his egg. He is living in the egg itself and he can see, what he can see is only the pale blue shell. And he feels that I am very safe inside. I feel very secured inside, and I can see, what I can see is only the pale blue cover. Later on, I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Now the next house, when he got hatched, after hatching out, means after coming out of the egg, the second house of the little baby bird, what he saw was the nest. He was inside the nest. He was always protected by his mother, and he was what he could see is the house, the nest was made up of straw. Straw is dry grass. We have seen so many times that the birds keep on collecting the dry grass, the threads, so that they can weave and make their nest more warm for their baby. So now in the same way, the baby bird was first living in the egg, which was a pale blue cover shell. The second house was the nest, which was made up of the straw. And further, one day I fluttered from the nest. Fluttered means he flew away very quickly from the nest to see what he could find. He wanted to explore the world. Staying in the nest was such a boring thing for him. So he wanted to see and learn more new things. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Now when he came out of the nest and he fluttered, he's a baby bird, so he could not flutter away out of the tree at first attempt. He just came out of the nest. So when he came out of the nest, what he found was, he saw that there are green leaves everywhere, and he was very astonished, he was very happy, he was surprised, and he was also thinking that I may be so blind. First I was thinking that egg was my house, then I thought nest was my house, means it was the only world to him. And in the third attempt, when he came out of the nest, he saw that the green leaves, the world is made of green leaves. Later, the baby bird started growing and he started coming out of the nest again and again. Now he mastered the skill of flying. He started flying out. At last, I flew beyond the tree. Beyond means further side. He came out of the tree and saw the sky so blue. When he came out of the tree, finally, he could see is infinity everywhere. Wherever he was seeing, there was blue sky. Now, how world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Here in this last stanza, the baby bird is asking you the question that he is confused. In the beginning, he was living in the small egg. So the world to him was made of pale blue shell. In the second stanza, when he came out of the egg, he was living in the nest, which was made up of the straw. So he thought the world to me is made up of dry grass and straw. In the third stanza, when he came out of the nest, he could hop out till the branches of the trees and he could see that the world around him was green. It was made of green leaves. Finally, when he flew beyond the tree, he could see blue sky everywhere. So he felt the world is made of blue sky. Now I am really confused what the world is actually made. I cannot tell. Can you? In this poem, we have gone through the baby bird's journey, and we can imagine that this baby bird, like how human beings baby, how you as a baby was first in your house only, then your mother and father started helping you out to explore the things, you started coming out of the house and met new people and went to various new places. In the same way, this baby bird has also been through the journey from the egg to the sky. I hope you all have understood the poem. Do let me know whether you have understood the poem. If you have any doubt, you can message in the group itself. Thank you. I hope you all have understood the poem. Now let us all read the poem together. Repeat behind me. What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the really world is made, I cannot tell. Can you? Let us read the poem once again. What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you?